Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna start my workout challenge series. So the first one that I got for you, it's a 1000 calorie burn from Fitness Blender. I love these guys. I bought a lot of programs from them. They have amazing workouts and I really enjoy them, and they keep me motivated at home to work out because I don't really like to go to the gym. So this is the best way for me, and let's start it. As you can see, I start by lying to myself that this is gonna be easy, and then that I am a bodybuilder. So let's get ready now. Mad filming skills here. As you can see, I start with 158 calories. Now let's start the warm-up with a smile on my face. Let's see how long that is gonna last, because I don't think it's gonna last long. Okay, wow, we're now doing this move called, I don't know how, but it looks like a traditional Romanian dance for me, so I'm having fun. Okay, let's get back to being serious and start the rear work. Until now I'm used to these moves, so it's gonna be great. Oh, look at me pretending that I can do this. Okay, what? You go, girl, and please ignore my pouch. I don't know why I thought I should show this from this side. And now we're going back to our normal jumping around and jumping and jumping. Ooh, time for our first break. Can you see I'm not tired at all? Can you see the joy on my face? Back to the training, guys. As you can see, I have a lot of energy left. Look how fast I am. And it's not because I edited this video. That's my real speed, by the way. It's still good. It can be worse. And let's fast forward a bit until we get at the second break, because that's what I've been waiting for. I'm sweating like a pig, and I kinda look like one. Pink, I mean. It's Pilates time. I kind of hate it. Look at that bum though, she must have worked out hard for it. Now get rid of that belly. What are you doing? Stop looking at your watch, it's not break time yet. Okay, my arms look like they're gonna break soon. Don't worry, nothing happened. And now I will let you enjoy a few more seconds of that round bum. Oh, wait, it's done. I have something in my eye. It's probably sweat. Okay, now that I saved my eye from drowning, we can get back to our workout. Break time again, and it's done. Let's start the strength training. Oh, these are my favorites. Push-ups and tricep workout. I'm probably gonna die during this exercise. I'm always confused with this because I don't know if I'm doing it right. I hate the ski squats because I can't keep my back straight. Last break, still have energy. And finally we have the cool down, but let's skip through this really fast because it's not that interesting. Hello, dear friend. How are you? Do you wanna stretch out with me? Oh yes, you pretty little cutie boy. And we are done. This is my normal color after working out. Ignore my pimples. As you can see, now I've burned 735 calories and worked out for 79 minutes. Okay, so as you have seen, I worked out a lot. It's pretty hard, because it's really long. It takes like 1 hour and 20 minutes or something like that. I will link the workout in the description, and I will tell you what I did and for how long. But let me tell you, it's hard, this one. I mean, I'm not the best fitness model, whatever. Not the best, I'm not one of them. But I did my best. And as you have seen, I burned a lot of calories. I didn't burn 1000 like they said, but I mean, they say you can burn between 600 and something and 1000. So I did. It was like 700 and a bit. It was in the middle. But yeah, I'm really proud of myself, and I challenge you to do this workout and tell me how it went. Maybe for you it's gonna be easier, maybe it's gonna be harder. Just try it and let me know how it was. Okay, so if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!